In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to update your mentoring program profile in the Mentor Michigan directory. The first step is to log on to mentormichigan.org. After we've done that and seen the home page, we'll simply navigate to the left side of the screen and click on Directory of Mentoring Programs. From here, we'll click Register Your Mentoring Program because we'll notice we can also make updates from this link as well. Once I've clicked here, I'll need to enter my username and password. The username will be the email address you used to register your program with Mentor Michigan. If you've forgotten your password, you can click the link here and you can go through that process to recover your password for your email address. After we've logged in, we'll see a screen that looks something like this. The first thing that we'll want to do is take a look at the My Profile link on the left-hand side of the page. From here, we can update our basic contact information, including our phone number and our email address, which is also our username, and we can update our password as well. Second thing we'll want to do is actually go ahead and take a look at how we update a program. If you have multiple programs registered, you'll notice that they will all appear here under the program name, and we'll just select the one we want to update. The first thing we'll want to do on the update page is take a look at the different tabs that we have, and they're conveniently ordered by steps that we need to take. So step 1 is basic program information. And as I scroll down, you can see that this is very basic contact information, a brief description of your mentoring program, and some program details, including the type of mentoring opportunities you offer, where matches meet, and so on. On the very bottom of the page, you can indicate what service areas your mentoring program serves children. Now, it's important to enter zip codes here and to enter them in the right format. As you can see, they're listed in a line from top to bottom. Each zip code isn't separated by a comma, like this, but rather, each new zip code starts on its own line, and I do that by hitting enter. So once I finish making updates, I'll hit save. And notice, if your program is also using Mentor Pro, any updates you make here will automatically be pushed forward to your program profile in Mentor Pro as well. So my next step is step 2, and I'll click on that link. In step 2, I'm given the opportunity to update the program administrator. And you can see that gives me this place to update phone and email, just as it did in the My Profile link that we visited first. It also gives us space for a program contact person. In most cases, we encourage programs to have the primary administrator and the program contact person to be the same person, so that it just makes things easy to update. After I've made updates, I would scroll to the bottom and hit save. And then I'll move to step 3. In step 3, we'll be able to indicate what types of screening procedures for mentors our program uses. And scrolling down, we'll be able to indicate if there are any target mentor populations we're trying to tap into. The same is true for mentees. And scrolling down a little further, I'm able to indicate match commitment. This is an important field, obviously, as we want to give potential volunteers and parents accurate information about our program. I can select anything from 3 to 12 months, and I can select Other if it doesn't fall within that category. And then contact frequency, how often matches meet, and then average hours per week can also be selected. After I've made my changes, I will click Save. I'll be prompted to save it in Mentor Pro if I'm using Mentor Pro, and then I'll be finished. So that's it. That's how we log in to our Mentor Michigan directory profile and update all of the information about our program.